Look around you right now, wherever you are, a bedroom, a coffee shop, a bus, or an office, you are surrounded by things. In day one, we learned how to say hello. In day two, we learned how to say who we are. But to truly navigate the world in English, you need to know what things are called and how to point them out. Imagine you are in a store and you need to buy something, but you don't know the word for it. Or imagine you're at work and someone asks you to pass them a specific tool. Today, we are going to bridge that gap. We are shifting our focus from who am I to what is that? We are going to build your foundational vocabulary by identifying everyday objects that you see every single hour of your life. We are also going to master two tiny words that cause a lot of confusion, a and ain. By the end of these 11 minutes, the room you are sitting in will no longer be a collection of shapes, it will be a collection of English words. Let's get started. The answer is all about the sound and the flow of the language. English likes to sound smooth. Here's the golden rule. We use A before words that start with a consonant sound. Think of letters like B, C, D, F, G, and so on. For example, a phone, a book, a chair, a desk. Try saying a phone. It's easy, right? The A ends and the PH sound begins clearly. We use an before words that start with a vowel sound, A, E, I, O, and U. For example, an apple, an orange, an umbrella, an office. Why? Try saying a apple. It feels like a hiccup in your throat, doesn't it? A apple. It's clunky. But an apple flows perfectly because the N acts like a bridge between the two vowels. Let's look at three very common items. First, phone. It starts with a consonant sound P, so we say a phone. Second, book. It starts with a B, we say a book. Third, chair. It starts with a SHH, we say a chair. Now let's look at two others. Eraser. It starts with an E, we say an eraser. Idea. It starts with an I, we say an idea. It is important to remember that this rule is about the sound, not just the letter. For now, focus on the most common objects. Most of the things you see around you will start with consonants, so A will be your best friend. But when you hear that vowel sound at the start of a word, remember to reach for an. This small detail is a major step towards sounding like a fluent, natural speaker. Now let's put your ears and your voice to work. We're going to build your vocabulary and practice those articles at the same time. This small detail is a major step towards sounding like a fluent, natural speaker. Now let's put your ears and your voice to work. We're going to build your vocabulary and practice those articles at the same time. I will show you an object, I'll say the name, and then I want you to repeat the full phrase, article included, out loud. Round 1, the essentials. These are things you likely have within reach right now. 1, laptop. Starts with L. Say, a laptop. 2, pen. Starts with P. Say, a pen. 3, key. Starts with K. Say, a key. 4, ID card. Starts with an I sound. Say, an ID card. 5, wallet. Starts with W. Say, a wallet. Round 2, around the room. Look further away from your body now. 1, window. Say, a window. 2, door. Say, a door. 3, air conditioner. Listen to that A at the start. Say, an air conditioner. 4, table. Say, a table. 5, outlet. That's an O sound. Say, an outlet. Round 3, the A verses and speed challenge. I am going to say the noun, and I want you to quickly say the correct article before it. I'll give you a second to think, and then I'll provide the correct answer so you can check yourself. 1. Bag. A bag. 2. Envelope. An envelope. 3. Mirror. A mirror. 4. Orange. An orange. 5. Computer. A computer. 6. Egg. An egg. 7. Lamp. A lamp. Round 4. Building sentences. Now let's combine what we learned yesterday with today's nouns. We will use the word it is or the contraction its to identify things. Example, if I point to a book, I say, it's a book. Let's try. 1. Point to your phone and say, it's a phone. 2. Point to a chair and say, it's a chair. 3. Imagine you are holding an apple. Say, it's an apple. 4. Point to a clock on the wall. Say, it's a clock. This is how you start thinking in English. Instead of thinking libro, you think it's a book. Instead of telefono, you think it's a phone. You are training your brain to label the world in your new language. Don't worry if you forget a word. The goal today is to get comfortable with the rhythm of using articles. You're doing great. Keep that voice strong. You've done a lot of heavy lifting today. Let's summarize the key points so they stick. Everything around you is a noun. When you want to talk about one single thing, you need to use an article, a or an n. Use a for words that start with consonant sounds. This covers the vast majority of English nouns. A car, a house, a friend, a light. Use an for words that start with vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, and U. This makes your speech sound smooth and connected. An astronaut, an insect, an oven, an umbrella. We also practiced its, which is the contraction for it is. This is your go-to phrase for identifying anything in the world. It's a desk, it's an office. By mastering these simple building blocks, you've just gained the ability to name hundreds of things around you. Now for your Day 3 challenge. This one is physical, and it is incredibly effective for learning. Your mission today is to find 5 items in your room. If you have sticky notes, write the English name of the item on the note, including the article, and stick it on the object. For example, write a mirror and stick it on your mirror. If you don't have sticky notes, just point to 5 items and say the phrase out loud 3 times. It's a chair, it's a chair, it's a chair. Once you've done that, come back to the comments section of this video and type your list of 5 items. For example, 1. A lamp. 2. A bed. 3. An oven. 4. A television. 5. A shoe. Writing these out helps your brain transition from learning to using. And don't forget to like this video if you learned something new today. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you're still with me on this journey. Tomorrow, on Day 4, we are going to move from objects to actions. We'll learn how to describe what is happening right now using the present continuous tense. You won't just be able to say, it's a phone, you'll be able to say, I am using a phone.